Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily get Pioneer IBAN number, guys. It's really easy and simple. If you haven't already, make sure you sign up to Pioneer, and if you already have an account, just go and log into your Pioneer account, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. I'm going to show you just how you can get the IBAN number. So from your main menu, you want to select on Global Payment Service, okay? Once you're in that page, you're going to see a list of currencies that you have: US dollars, euros, Great British pounds. So what you do is just click on one of them, whatever one you want the IBAN number of. Just click on it, and you're going to see a bunch of different details that will appear. You're going to see your IBAN number and all other bank details, okay? So if you guys don't know what an IBAN number is, it's similar to the SWIFT code. Okay, you use it to identify your bank account, usually for international money transfers. Make sure you always keep it confidential and secure, guys. It's really important. And it's literally that simple, guys. Literally that simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.